Hi, my name is Thomas, and today we'll talk about deforestation. Well, it is one of the most important problems around the world, and is the intentional clearing of forested land. Well, it is usually used to make a space for agriculture and animal grazing, and to obtain wood for fuel, manufacturing, and construction. Most of deforestation occurs in tropical forests. That is taking many species living there into extinction, and thanks to that we're losing the biodiversity of our country. It is also one of the reasons of climate change, because with less trees, they are not able to turn carbon dioxide into oxygen, and it's making climate change even worse. Also, when burning trees or in a fire, tons of carbon dioxide are released into our air, making the situation even worse. Well, deforestation also causes erosion, and making more fires and making them more frequent, and also change the weather into a drier ambient. But what's the solution? What we can do about it? Well, there are very simple answers for this. You can join a conservation group to turn the forest green again. I will name some of them in our country, Ecuador. La Universidad Estatal Amazónica, la Universidad San Francisco de Quito, la Pontificia Universidad Católica del Ecuador, Terra Madre, Plan Junto, Ancupa, WINAC o Conservación Internacional. These are some conservation groups around Ecuador. But you can also, from your home, plant some trees and some plants to help with this problem. And all together we will solve it. Thank you for your attention. And please join our campaign.
Hi teachers and friends, my name is Martin Sandoval and I'm going to talk about recycle. So recycle, we practically know what is recycle, right? I did a project about that and stuff. So you probably know what is recycle. Now the thing is, the people consider recycle enough until they say, oh, what a great day to recycle. Probably not. So that's why I'm in a campaign with Tomas Carrillo and Gabriel Lara about doing good stuff for the environment. So, my topic in the campaign is the recycle, as you can see, and I'm going to talk about how people doesn't really recycle and that they should recycle. So, guys, my project is about explaining you guys some basic stuff about recycle for you to have on count and try to recycle if you have the opportunity. So, we got these bins over here, and we got like in different colors. For example, green is for organic stuff, blue is for plastic, yellow is for papers, cartons, etc. And red is for dangerous stuff if there is any red, but probably you will find only the yellow, green, and blue ones. And then we got that most of the stuff that we put on our garbage is kind of recyclable. For example, but most of the stuff that we have in our garbage that we use daily, we can recycle that. So take in count on what can you possibly recycle. All right, and that might be all. Let's go with my other partner.
Gabriel, and my topic is waste of garbage. How does garbage affect forest? Contamination of a forest is a consequence of dumping and contact with toxic substances or pollutions that can have adverse effect on the natural environment or life. The loss of the trees and other vegetation can use climate change, desertification, soil erosion, damage to soil quality, since forest soils are harmed, flooding, increased greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, and that increase global warming, and vital problems for indigenous populations. What are the negative effects of the garbage? The more emissions that we produce due to how much trash we generate affects us long term. One can develop diseases such as asthma, speech defects, cancer, cardiovascular disease, childhood cancer, COPD, infection diseases, low birth waste, and preterm delivery. Why is garbage bad for the earth? Trash can throw out the world's rivers and oceans, accumulating on beaches and within gears. This debris harms physically and habitats, transports chemical pollutants, threatens aquatic life, and interferes with human uses of river, marine, and coastal environments.